Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So first of all, I just want to thank you so much for all the positive feedback on my previous video. I got a bunch of views, likes, and comments, and also I got a bunch of subscribers, and I just want to thank you so much for that. So today's video is basically just going to be a cooking with Candace. You're going to watch me bake some peanut butter chewy cookies. And if you want to follow along, I'll have the recipe down below so you can go, if you want to make these cookies, you can. But yeah, so let's head on over to the kitchen. Okay, so we are in the kitchen now. And we are ready to bake. Wait, no we're not. Now we're ready to bake. Got my little apron on. Let's get started. Got my bowl here. I have all my ingredients, so now let's get started. I have to cream the butters and the sugars in this bowl, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I need to take my butter, my stick of butter, where's my butter? My butter, it's not softened, so we're going to put it in the microwave. So I have my I have my helpful assistant here, which is my brother Cade. And so he's going to go put this butter in the microwave for approximately 10 seconds. So we need half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. So I have my brown sugar here. I'm adding half a cup of sugar, white sugar. Add our stick of butter. This is unsalted sweet cream butter. So I have my sugars. And I'm going to take my butter, and I'm just going to plop that in there. But I think it'd be easier if I cut it into cubes, but I'm not going to do that. So, go in. There we go. Well, throw that away. So now I'm going to take my wooden spoon, and it says to cream them together, so I'm just going to mash them together. It says you can do it with an electric mixer, but I don't feel like getting that out right now, so I'm just going to do this by hand. Okay, so I gave up on trying to do it by hand, so I actually got the mixer out. I had my assistant over there washing the bowl because it had weird stuff in it. So now we're just going to cream this together. Okay, so we're just transferring this into this metal bowl here. It has nice and creamed itself. Next it says to add the peanut butter, the egg, and the vanilla extract. So I'm going to it says to add half a cup of peanut butter. So that's what I'm going to do. Now we're going to crack the egg in there. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm not going to do exact measurements here. I'm just going to guesstimate. Actually, I'm not going to do that because a friend of mine, her name is Caitlin, she made a cake one time and poured the entire bottle of vanilla extract into her buttercream and it messed up. So I'm not going to guesstimate. I'm going to actually use a little teaspoon measurement. Vanilla extract because it's the best. So, and then it says to mix the rest of this together. So after we do that, it says to mix the flour and all that stuff in a separate bowl and then add it to the mixture slowly. So that's what we is going to do. My assistant is terrible. I'm firing him. You're fired. Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we just stir this together. Now we're just going to start adding Our dough is ready, and by the way, I forgot to mention, but you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I forgot to say that, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to scoop the dough onto a cookie sheet. I'm going to use some Crisco shortening to grease this with. So I'm taking this little measurement, and I'm just going to scoop these onto the baking tray. And once that is done, we will show the finished product. The finished product. I took the 3 best cookies and put them on this plate, and they look just like the picture, and so I'm so proud of myself. This was not a fail, but we gotta taste them first, so it could be a fail, but this is like the moment of truth. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, so good. Cookie was so good. It's like crunchy on the edge, it's like super chewy in the middle. It's like not overly sweet, I'm gonna like throw up. It's like so good. Also, yes, I do wear glasses. I took them off for the intro and the outro so that I wouldn't have a glare, but yeah, I was wearing my glasses during the recipe because I didn't want to, you know, be blind, but yeah. Okay, so that was it for this video. Okay, so that was it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Click right here to subscribe to my channel. And comment down below if you want to see some more cooking with Candace. And if you want to try this recipe, I highly recommend it. I will have that down below. And yeah, until next time, peace out.
I'm sorry.